Hello and welcome to our Speech for Excel channel. In today's video, I would like to show an example of how Speech for Excel can be used to improve a weighing process. In the example, the weight and color of samples are to be recorded in an Excel sheet. I will first do the acquisition using a scale connected to the laptop via an USB cable and with some manual input. To transfer the weight data, I have configured the scale to transfer the current weight to the laptop when a key is pressed. After that, I show how to do the whole process with speech recognition and Speech for Excel. On the laptop, I have already opened a corresponding Excel sheet on the left side. On the right side, you can see Speech for Excel with an Excel sheet for the capture. I start entering the data into the Excel sheet. I have to enter the colors manually. The transfer of the weights is initiated by pressing a button on the scale. After this classic data entry, I now use Speech for Excel to enter the weight and color by speech. We start the speech recognition in Speech for Excel. Red 1.9, yellow 1.77, orange 1.81, red 1.82. The colors to be detected are predefined in the Speech for Excel configuration. This serves on the one hand to improve the detection, but also to standardize the notation of the colors and facilitates, for example, statistics of how many red samples were measured. We have seen that the data can be recorded with Speech for Excel as fast as with manual input and a direct connection between the balance and the notebook. Speech for Excel in this case has the added advantage of allowing you to wear gloves when handling unknown or contaminated samples without having difficulties to enter data or contaminating the keyboard. We have seen averaging over weights in both cases. In Speech for Excel, these functions are available without an Excel installation. This example with sample weights is just one of many use cases where Speech for Excel can make work easier. Whenever both hands are needed for work, the use of Speech for Excel as an input is beneficial. For more information about Speech for Excel, visit www.speechforexcel.com. However, you can also get started right away and download the free app from the Microsoft Store. The functionality of the free app is limited, but the speech recognition works the same way as the Pro version used in the video. Try Speech for Excel and experience how speech recognition with Speech for Excel can improve your processes. Put questions or comments here or send an email to info@speechforexcel.com. See you next time.